Welcome to Tidy Habits Guide to Natural Cleaning Solutions. In this video, we'll explore eco-friendly tips and tricks to keep your home clean and green. Did you know you can make your own all-purpose cleaner using simple ingredients? Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle, add a few drops of essential oil for fragrance, and voila! You have a natural, non-toxic cleaner that's safe for all surfaces. Baking soda is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. Sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming to freshen them up, or use it to scrub sinks and tubs for a sparkling finish. You can even create a paste with water to remove tough stains on countertops or appliances. Harness the power of lemons for a naturally fresh home. Cut a lemon in half and use it to scrub cutting boards or wipe down surfaces for a natural disinfectant. You can also toss lemon peels into your garbage disposal to deodorize and freshen it up. Say goodbye to synthetic air fresheners and opt for DIY alternatives instead. Simmer a pot of water with citrus slices and herbs on the stove for a natural air freshener, or create your own room spray using distilled water and essential oils. It's easy, affordable, and eco-friendly. Stubborn stains don't stand a chance against vinegar. Mix equal parts vinegar and water to tackle mineral deposits on faucets or soap scum on shower doors. Let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing away for a sparkling finish. Keep your wood surfaces looking their best with a little olive oil. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth and buff wooden furniture or cutting boards to restore their natural shine. It's a simple and natural way to rejuvenate your wood surfaces. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful disinfectant that's also eco-friendly. Use it to sanitize kitchen countertops, bathroom surfaces, or even toothbrushes. Simply spray or dab it onto the surface and let it sit for a few minutes before wiping clean. Create a natural air purifier using essential oils. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, such as tea tree or eucalyptus, to a bowl of water and place it near vents or windows. The oils will help purify the air and leave your home smelling fresh and clean. Thank you for exploring these natural cleaning solutions with us. With these eco-friendly tips and tricks, you can achieve a cleaner home without harming the environment. Remember to subscribe for more eco-conscious cleaning advice, and share your favorite natural cleaning hacks in the comments below.